How to combine videos in TikTok. Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets TikTok tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to combine multiple videos in the TikTok app on an iPhone or an Android phone. All right, so to get started, the first thing I'm going to do is just select the plus symbol in the bottom of the TikTok app to go ahead and start creating a TikTok video. Once on the screen in the bottom right, you want to select Upload to the right of the record button. And then you can see all the videos on your phone. To select multiple videos so we can combine them, we need to go to the bottom of the screen, and where it says select multiple, go ahead and make sure that that is selected. And then you can select the videos that you want to combine. Now keep in mind, if you're trying to combine TikTok draft videos, you will need to download those to your phone first, and check the description. I have a tutorial going over how to do that. Once you selected the videos you want to combine, select next. Then in here we can either adjust the clips or sound sync. I'm going to select default. Once on this screen, you can change the order of the videos by just long pressing them in the bottom and then dragging them so that they're in the order you want. If you want to add more videos, select the plus button and then select those videos accordingly. From there, just select next. And then as you can see, the video has now been combined, and you can post it just like you would any other TikTok video. All right, so that's how you combine videos on TikTok. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more TikTok tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.